Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. I am Shafayat from Unlocktherapy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone using your Apple Watch, perfect for those moments when you're wearing a mask, sunglasses, or even ski goggles. What you'll need: 1. iPhone with Face ID, iPhone 10s or later, running iOS 14.5 or newer. 2. Apple Watch, Series 3 or later, with watchOS 7.4 or later. 3. Paired and unlocked. Your Apple Watch needs to be paired with your iPhone on your wrist and unlocked. 4. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Both your iPhone and Apple Watch should have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. 5. Passcode and wrist detection. Make sure your Apple Watch has a passcode enabled and wrist detection turned on. Setting up Unlock with Apple Watch. 1. On your iPhone, head to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and enter your passcode. 2. Scroll down to find the Unlock with Apple Watch option and turn it on for your paired watch. How to use Unlock with Apple Watch. 1. Ensure your Apple Watch is on your wrist and unlocked. If you're wearing a mask, sunglasses, or ski goggles, this feature is especially handy. 2. Wake your iPhone by raising it or tapping the screen. 3. Just glance at your iPhone and voila, it unlocks automatically. You can then swipe up to start using it. But what if you didn't mean to unlock it? No worries, just tap Lock iPhone on your Apple Watch screen. The next time you unlock, you'll need to enter your passcode. A few extra tips. Your Apple Watch passcode can be different from your iPhone's. Remember, this feature only works for unlocking your iPhone. It won't help with Apple Pay, passwords, or apps. If you have iOS 15.4 or later and an iPhone 12 or 13, you can even use Face ID while wearing a mask without needing your Apple Watch. For more information, visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. So there you have it. By enabling Unlock with Apple Watch, you can easily unlock your iPhone while keeping your face covered. It's a super convenient feature that makes life just a little bit easier.